How to fix action not allowed on YouTube. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix action not allowed on YouTube. First, go to the web browser and search for suspended YouTube account. Now open the first link to visit Google Help. Scroll down and review the community guidelines. It will also show you the instructions on how you can appeal. In the Appeal the Community Guidelines section, click the This Form hypertext link. In this form, enter the required details. It may include your full name, the email address you used to sign in to YouTube, and the URL of your channel. After that, briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended. Then, go through the CAPTCHA verification. Once you're done, click the Submit button. It will review your appeal and contact you in a few days. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.